Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is Circle of Willis. It has been explained very easily from examination point of view and also to remember forever. So, let's start it. So, first of all, circle of Willis plays a very important role in supplying blood to various parts of our brain. So, the first thing we're going to notice is that it arises from a vertebral column. This is particularly a vertebra from where the vertebral arteries arise. You can see closely, these two are the vertebral arteries arising from this vertebra. So, by the name vertebral artery, we can remember it. Then after that, they join together and form a one artery, which is known as the basilar artery. This artery, this line which is being joined by the vertebral artery, is further called as basilar artery. It has four branches of pontines. That means that area which supplies the pons of our brain. So these are the branches supplying the pons. By the name, it suggests pontine branches. Then we go upward. This basilar artery is being divided into two, and then it forms a circle here, and this is known as circle of Willis. Now these two branches in which it is being divided are the posterior cerebral artery. These post means posterior, and these and here means anterior. So the posterior cerebral artery, these are the posterior cerebral arteries. I have written P1 and P2 because the blood supply here is P1 in this area. After that, it is being supplied to this P2 area. So, circle of Willis is very important because in stroke, when we'll study about stroke, we should know that which artery supply blood supply to which particular part. And for that, if imagine if there is stroke, particularly ischemic stroke, in this part of this part, somewhere here in this part there is a stroke. So the blood supply will not stop. The blood supply will continue from here and will go to the anterior cerebral artery. It will not stop. So this circle is very important as it controls and manages our blood supply even if something is being blocked. Some arteries are being blocked even then. Okay, so let's continue. This is the posterior cerebral artery. Now as we move ahead, we'll see these two, which further joins the anterior cerebral artery. These two are the posterior communicating arteries. By the name it suggests, it communicates between the posterior artery and the anterior communicating artery, which further communicates with anterior cerebral artery. So this particularly dividing into two is the posterior cerebral artery. Is the posterior communicating artery, which then joins and forms the anterior communicating artery, and now you can see these two arteries further being divided, and they are known as anterior cerebral artery. One artery is left, which is the middle cerebral artery, which is not the part of this particular circle but arises from here. So these are the main important arteries. You can take a photo of it and memorize it. These are the most important and the main arteries of our circle of Willis. Thank you.